So here we are going to demonstrate about a rocker bogey by using an Android controlling system. So here you can see there are an PVC pipes made as an rocker bogey setup, and these are the permanent magnet DC motors, L293 driver, Arduino controller, HC05 Bluetooth module, regulated power supply section, and battery. So these are the motor driver circuit, which helps the motors to move forward, backward, left and right. And this is the Bluetooth module, which is going to receive the command from the app and a terminal, so through which you can transmit the data and receive while it is running. So you have to turn on the kit. So by turning on the kit, so you can able to connect the device, and when you press the forward button, it moves forward, stop, backward, it moves back, stop, left, stop, right, stop, forward, stop, backward. So this is how it can be used as an multi-terrain wheel, where it can be used for an uneven surfaces. So the angle should not grow greater than 90 degrees or greater than 70 degrees of above the inclination. So this is how the rocker buggy suspension mechanism can be demonstrated by using an Bluetooth control. Thank you.